look this up yourself. And here's Speed Trader. This is another one. I just kind of Googled this, and I brought these up sort of like right away. And yeah, a lot of day traders use those. Yeah. Okay, and another thing with level 2 is not everything is on here. You have what are called hidden sellers. For instance, like like the bid is 180.65, and you see the ask price is 180.67. Well, you might be sitting here, and you might see an order get executed for 180.66 or something like that. Well, you have what are called dark pools, and well, I'll leave this up here. You might want to read it. And pretty much these are hidden orders. There's financial institutions put their orders out there, and they'll they make it available to retail investors, because I mean this is like a constant thing with level 2. There's constantly stuff you can't see that's still going through. You'll kind of get used to it, and you'll learn how to spot hidden sellers. But that's the gist of this. There could be, I mean, it could look just like this, and there could be somebody sitting there at $180.66 selling, and nobody can see them, and they could be just sitting there, kind of holding the price there, for a little while, and then once they're gone, the price might shoot up, and if you didn't know, you just wouldn't really know what to look for. But generally, another thing about level 2 is you can watch out for big sales. Like you might see something like a 100,000 share order or something, and it might be down here, like say 180.62. So you kind of know, like that's a support or resistance level. Once that gets down to that price, the stock's going to it's going to take a minute to get through there, or once it does break through, it's really going to move. A lot of times people will put in a big order like that to try and scare people away and manipulate the stock in that way. So if like if you see it like up at the top or something, to get out of the way, the stock's probably it's probably about to move right there immediately. You might want to hold off until you place your trade, or go ahead and place it right then, because the stock's about to jump up. And yeah, that's about it. So if you guys have any questions, you can feel free to email me. I'll leave a link below. You're welcome to go to our website, olivon.com. We have a bunch more educational videos. Check out our education portal. It's completely free. We don't ask anything of you. Once again, this is Roy with Olivon Investments, and thank you for your time.